This video calmly explains the marriage of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, to Aisha Bint Abu Bakr radiyallahu anha. Our goal is clarity, remove slander and false claims. We turn to the Quran, the Sahih Hadith, and the scholars of Sunnah wal Jama'ah. A Muslim's foundation is the Quran and the Sunnah. The Quran is Allah's word, guiding law and morality. The Prophet's life embodies that guidance and the highest character. So when questions arise, we consult reliable sources with care and respect. Examine texts, understand context, and seek qualified scholarship. Respond to misinformation with knowledge and confidence. To understand the marriage, understand who Aisha was. Daughter of Abu Bakr al-Siddiq, raised at Islam's heart in Mecca, renowned for intelligence, sharp memory, and an inquisitive nature. The Quran honors the Prophet's wives as mothers of the believers. Quran 33:6. After his passing, she taught the community. She narrated over 2,000 hadith across prayer, fasting, family law, and ethics. A jurist and leader, her legacy is scholarship, service, and preserved guidance. Discuss her marriage with the full picture in mind, wisdom, piety, and a lifetime of service. The age discussion stems from a hadith reported in Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. It states the contract at 6 and consummation at 9. Its authenticity is accepted. Authenticity is the first step. Next is weighing all evidence. Gather texts and historical data to form a complete understanding. Many classical and contemporary scholars cite other timelines. Aisha Bint Abu Bakr is reported about 10 years older than Aisha and died in 73 AH at 100. Working backward, Aisha would be 27-28 at Hijrah, Aisha around 17. If consummation was 12 AH, Aisha would be 18 to 19. She is listed among early Muslims. Reports mention an earlier engagement, customarily for those nearing maturity. These data don't negate the hadith. They contextualize it among multiple indicators. Some suggest numeral or counting method misunderstandings. Others note different age reckonings. Judging fairly requires context. 7th century norms differ from today. Readiness then was tied to maturity, bulugh, not a fixed number. The marriage was public, with family consent, and met legal customs. The Prophet's opponents never criticized it on age. This silence is significant. Projecting modern standards backward is anachronism and misleads. The Prophet's marriages carried divine wisdom serving the Ummah. Aisha's is a prime example. Her youth, intelligence, and memory preserved the Prophet's teachings. She observed his worship, character, and family life closely. After his passing, she lived decades, becoming a key source of knowledge. She corrected errors, clarified law, and narrated foundational hadith. Women accessed guidance through her with comfort and confidence. Her home became a school for men and women. Countless students emerged. The fruits, knowledge, guidance, preservation of the message. Her life testifies to the marriage's success, respected, honored, influential. Her reports reflect love, admiration, and respect for the Prophet. In conclusion, the marriage was within legal and social norms and guided by wisdom. Slander arises from decontextualizing one report and ignoring broader evidence. Timelines and biographies strongly place Aisha in her late teens. At minimum, the matter is scholarly, not condemnatory. Even if one holds to 9, it was normal in that context. Maturity, not fixed numbers, governed readiness. The enemy's silence is powerful proof nothing improper occurred. Affirm our respect for the Prophet and honor Aisha, mother of the believers. The Quran warns against speaking without knowledge, Quran 17:36. Find tranquility in His perfect character and Allah's wisdom.